Journey along India's coastal plains. States covered Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Now I would like to call upon Maharashtra for some explanation.
Me Maharashtra, Maza Maharashtra. Good morning. This is my group of Maharashtra. Today we are gonna speak some information about it. Maharashtra is a dynamic western state of India known for its long Arabian Sea coastline and historic forts, vibrant culture and the bustling city of Mumbai.
Maharashtra is known for its beautiful and famous historical forts like Janjira Fort, Gateway of India, Sindhudurg Fort, Vijayadurg Fort, and its bustling city of Mumbai. Mumbai is the financial capital of India. The main occupation of Maharashtra is fishing and farming, and it has many film industries. Seafood in Maharashtra: crabs, prawns, and fish.
Good morning. We are the group of Kerala. Kerala is a scenic southern Indian state of India, famous for its lush backwaters, beautiful beaches, rich traditions, and high literacy rate.
In Kerala, there are beautiful coconut trees and beautiful lush green landscape.
The main occupation in Kerala is farming and tourism. Kerala is often known as God's own country. The famous seafood in Kerala is fish, crabs and prawns.
Tamil Nadu is a vibrant southern Indian city known for its rich culture and history. Classical Bharatanatyam dance, ancient temples and a long coastline along the Bay of Bengal. Bharatanatyam is the folk dance of Tamil Nadu.
The main fish and fish products in Tamil Nadu are prawns, crab and kingfish.
The main occupation of Tamil Nadu is fishing. Karnataka is a dynamic South Indian state known for its rich heritage, beautiful coastlines, thriving IT industries, and the scenic Western Ghats. Sea products found in Karnataka are mackerel, crabs, fish, and prawn.
People in Karnataka are involved in agriculture, fishing, and IT industries.